Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this magnet, dishwasher magnet that says dirty and clean, so it lets you know if your dishes are clean or dirty. Alright, right here we have our dishwasher magnet. It is super great because sometimes I forget if my dishes are clean or dirty. So this handy dandy dishwasher magnet is a great reminder letting you know if your dishes are clean or dirty if you don't remember. So whenever my dishes are clean, I just leave it on clean. If they're dirty and not completely full in the dishwasher, I just leave it on dirty. And while it's getting ready to be cleaned, I just switch it on over. So right here you get an extra magnet for the back of it. This works on dishwashers, refrigerators, anything that is a magnet. It is an improved kitchen design storage. It's measured about 6.88 inches by 1.96 inches by 0.23 inches. This has a wide application. You can use it as for your refrigerator, your bathroom, wherever you need to see that is clean, as well as your washer and dryer if you like. This does stick to anything that's magnet. Here is my previous one that I had. So you just put it up on right here and it says that it's clean. You move it over to the side. This one says dirty. You move it back to this side, it's clean. So my old one was just a flip. You put one that's clean and you flip it around for the dirtiness. With this one here I like because you just move this back and forth. So you can see on the left hand side is clean, the right hand side is dirty. So the right outside clean is a nice white slate clean side, and on the dirty side it's like a light blue. Here's my previous one that my dogs chewed up. So this one here says clean and then this side says dirty. So instead of flipping it over, I decided to purchase this one right here. So you just slide it over and to change it from clean to dirty instead of flipping it out and turning it around. I highly recommend if you're looking for something to let you know if your dishes are clean or dirty, I would highly recommend this magnet. It is super nice.